So 23rd evening mathematics JEE paper. If a square is divided in 4 by 4 squares, so that is divide 4 by square. If two squares are chosen at randomly, then the probability that the squares does not share common side is. So వీటిలో 2 squares మనం సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటే వాటికి కామన్ సైడ్ ఉండదు, అట్లాంటివి సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే ఇక్కడ కామన్ సైడ్ ఉన్నవి సెలెక్ట్ చేద్దాం. సో కామన్ సైడ్ ఉన్నవి సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తాం. ఇఫ్ two squares are chosen randomly, then the probability the squares does not share common side is the problem. వీటిలో మనం ఫస్ట్ 2 squares సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. 2 squares సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. Squares select చేసుకోవాలి. 1 2 3 4 4 by 4 that is equal to 16. So n of s is equal to 16c2. వాటికి సైడ్ కామన్ గా ఉండేవి చూద్దాం. సపోజ్ ఈ 2 స్క్వేర్స్ సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తే వీటికి సైడ్ కామన్ గా ఉంది 1 వే. ఈ 2 స్క్వేర్స్ సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తే 1 వే. ఈ 2 స్క్వేర్స్ సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తే 1 వే. మొత్తం 3 వేస్ ఫస్ట్ రో. నెక్స్ట్ 3 వేస్ టోటల్ గా 12 వేస్. నెక్స్ట్ 3 వేస్ టోటల్ 12 వేస్. సో 12 plus 12 24 ways. So these are common side squares. So now required probability is equal to total squares 16c2 minus common side by n of s, that is equal 60. So simplify this, you will get the answer. Next problem. If the square of the shortest distance is the square of the shortest distance SD between the lines x minus 2 by 1 is equal y minus 1 by 2 is equal z plus 3 by minus 3 and x plus 1 by 2 is equal y plus 3 by 4 is equal z plus 5 by minus 5 is m by n. Then m plus n is, then m plus n is. So these are two given lines. You have to find the shortest between these two and the squares of the shortest distance. Alright. So formula. So x minus x1 by a1, y minus y1 by b1, z minus z1 by c1, and x minus x2 by a2 is equal to y minus y2 by b2, z minus z2 by c2. These are two lines. Now shortest distance is formula x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 divided by I bar j bar k bar, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. This is the formula. So now, so given lines are x minus 2 by 1 is equal y minus 1 by 2 is equal z plus 3 by minus 3, and x plus 1 by 2 is equal y plus 3 by 4 is equal z plus 5 by minus 5. These are two given lines. So first x2 minus x1, that is equal minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 5 minus 3, 1 2 minus 3 2 4 minus 5. So find the determinant of this. So that is equal minus 3 minus 4 minus 8 1 2 minus 3 2 4 minus 5. So find the determinant of this and is equal. Next I bar j bar, this is numerator, this is denominator, k bar, I bar j bar k bar, 1 2 minus 3 2 4 minus 5. This is denominator. Now shortest distance is equal to numerator by denominator. Now this is equal, find numerator and denominator, and square of this is equal to m by n. Square of this is equal to m by n. Find the value of m and n. So adding these two, m plus n, we will get the correct answer. Next, evaluate limit x tends to infinity 2x power 7 plus 3x minus 5 by 5, 3x power 7 plus 5x minus 2 into 3x minus 1 power x by 2 by square root of 3x plus 2 whole power x. So find the value of this expression. Now you can write this as limit x tends to infinity into 2x power 7 plus 3x minus 5 by 3x power 7 plus 5x minus 2 into limit x tends to infinity 3x minus 1 whole power x by 2 by 3x plus 2 whole power x by 2. Limit x tends to a f of x into g of x equal to limit x tends to a f of x into limit x tends to a g of x. So now infinite limits. Now this is equal to limit x tends to infinity. Now taking x power 7 common. So we get in the numerator 2 plus 3 by x power 6 minus 5 by x power 7 by x power 7 3 plus 5 by x power 6 minus 2 by x power 7. Now in this limit x tends to infinity 3x minus 1 by 3x plus 2 whole power x by 2. So that is equal as limit x tends to infinity 1 by x tends to 0, 1 by x square tends to 0, so that both are cancelled. Here the value of first one is equal 2 by 3 into, now limit x tends to infinity 3x minus 1 by 3x plus 2 whole power x by 2. So now this is in the form of 1 to the power of infinity here, 3 minus 1 by x, 3 plus 2 by x, that is equal 1 to the power of here infinity form. So here 1 to the power of infinity form. So that is equal to 2 by 3. First part is, this is first part, this is first part, this is equal to 2 by 3. Now we need to find second part. So now limit x tends to infinity 3x minus 1 by 3x plus 2 whole power x by 2 is equal 1 to the power of infinity form. Now how do you find this? Let this is equal to e power s. Now s equal to, here s equal to limit x tends to infinity, limit x tends to infinity, so 3x minus 1 by 3x plus 2 minus 1 into x by 2. So limit x tends to a f of x minus 1 into g of x. So that is equal to here limit x tends to infinity, so 3x minus 1 minus 3x minus 2 by 3x plus 2 into x by 2 into x by 2. That is equal to limit x tends to infinity 3x get cancelled minus 3 by 3x plus 2 into x by 2. So again this is equal to now here minus 3x cancel minus 3 into 3x plus 2 into x by 2. Now taking common x, limit x tends to infinity minus 3 by 2 into, so 1 by, here taking 3 common, taking x common, 3 plus 2 by x into x, so x get cancelled. As x tends to infinity 1 by x tends to 0, as x tends to infinity 1 by x tends to 0, so that here limit x tends to infinity minus 3 by 2 into 1 by 3. That is equal minus 1 by 2. This is equal to minus 1 by 2. So, what is the first part here? Minus 1 by 2. So, this is equal to 2 by 3. Here, e power minus 1 by 2. Now, product of this is equal, total this expression is equal, final answer is 2 by 3 into, final answer is 2 by 3 into e power minus 1 by 2. This is the final answer. So, permutations, combinations which are not a problem. There are 5 boys. There are 5 boys and 4 girls. And 4 girls. The sum of the number number of ways in which they can be seated such that all boys sit together, and number of ways such that no boys sit together is equal to. So there are 5 boys and 4 girls. The sum of number of ways in which they can be seated such that all boys sit together, and number of ways such that no boys sit together. So దీంట్లో 2 cases ఉన్నాయి. First case, all boys sit together. So number of boys 5 boys. Next, 4 girls. B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Next, G1, G2, G3, G4. Now, first case is all boys come together, sit together. All boys sit together. So, treat all these 5 boys as one unit. Now, we have 4 objects plus 1 object, that is equal to 5 objects. They can be arranged in 5 factorial ways, and moreover, these 5 boys can be arranged among themselves in 5 factorial. This is case 1. Next, case 2. What is case 2? All boys sit, and number of ways such that no boys sit together. So first arrange these 4 girls in 4 factorial ways. G1, G2, G3, G4. So these 4 girls can be arranged among these 4 girls can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Now there are 5 gaps between them. These 5 gaps can be filled by these 5 boys in 5 factorial ways. So using fundamental principle, the number of required ways equal to 4 factorial into 5 factorial. So now here answer is, so first case plus second case. So that is equal, required ways equal to 5 factorial into 5 factorial plus 4 factorial into 4 factorial. Now you can simplify, you will get the answer. These are required arrangements. This is from permutations and combination. Now from trigonometry. So what is this trigonometry? From trigonometry, let f of x is equal, 6 plus 16 cos pi by 3 minus x into cos pi by 3 plus x into cos x into cos x into sin 3x into sin 3x into cos 6x. This is the given problem. Into cos 6x. If range of f of x, if range of f of x is closed interval alpha comma beta, then distance of alpha comma beta from 3x plus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. This is the problem. So first we have to find the range of given problem. So that is equal, now the range of the given problem f of x is equal, so that is equal 6 plus 16 into cos pi by 3 minus x into cos pi by 3 plus x into cos x, cos 3x, cos x into sin 3x into cos 6x. Now cos 60 minus x into cos 60 plus x into cos x, that is equal to 1 by 4 cos 3x formula. So 6 plus 6 into 1 by 4 cos 3x, 1 by 4 cos 3x. Now remaining terms are sin 3x into cos 6x. Now 4 times, now this 4 can be written as 2 into 2 cos 3x into sin 3x into cos 6x. So now again 2 sin 3x into cos 3x can be written as 6 plus 2 sin 6x into cos 6x, that is equal, now 2 sin 6x into cos 6x is equal sin 12x, this is equal sin 12x. Now minimum value of sin 2x equal to minus 1, maximum value is 1, so that is equal 6 plus minus 1, 6 plus 1. So minimum of sin x or sin ax equal to minus 1, maximum is 1. So that is equal to 5, that is equal to 7. Now the range of f of x is equal, therefore range of f of x is equal to 5 comma 7. So that is equal to given alpha beta. Now alpha is equal to 5, beta is equal to 7. Now we have to find the distance from alpha comma beta to, now the distance from alpha beta, that is equal 5 comma 7 to given line. Given line is 3x plus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. So that is equal distance equal to modulus of 3 into 5, 4 into 7 plus 12, modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. That is equal root of 9 plus 16. Simplify this, you can find the value. That is the distance between range of the given function and given line. So, matrices and ఇచ్చినటువంటి problem. If system of linear equations, if system of linear equations, x plus y plus z is equal to 6, x plus 2y plus 5z is equal to 9, x plus 5y plus lambda z is equal to mu has no solutions. Then value of lambda is equal. So first you need to find delta. So delta is equal to 0. So first one is delta is equal to 0. Delta equal to 0 means 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 5, 1, 5, lambda is equal to 0. So delta is equal to 0. So find the determinant of this value, that is equal to 1 into 2 lambda minus 25 minus 1 into lambda minus 5 plus 1 into 5 minus 2 is equal to 0. 1 into 5 minus 2 is equal to 0. So that implies 2 lambda minus 25 minus lambda plus 5. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. 3 is equal to 0. Minus lambda plus 5. 2 lambda minus lambda. So that is equal to 8. 8 minus here is equal to 17. Is equal to 0. Lambda is equal to 17. Here lambda equal to 7. System has no solution. For no solution, delta is equal to 0. At least one of delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 is not equal to 0. For no solution, delta is equal to 0. And at least delta 1 comma delta 2, at least one of and at least one of delta 1 comma delta 2 comma delta 3 is not equal to 0. So find delta 1 here. Find delta 1. Find delta 1. Find delta 1. Find delta 1. That is equal to find delta 1. Continue. Find delta 1. So that is equal to 6, 9 mu. Next 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 5 lambda, or is here equal to 1, 5, 1, 5. So lambda equal to 17, not equal to 0. So that is equal to 6 into 34 minus 25 minus 1 into, so 9 into 7, 17 minus 5 mu plus 1 into 45 minus 2 mu is not equal to 0. For mu equal to not equal to 0. So here after simplification we get mu is not equal to 18. So for mu is not equal to 18, lambda equal to 70, the system of equation has no solution. System of linear equations has no solution. Petrol ఇచ్చినటువంటి ప్రాబ్లం, if a bar is equal I bar plus 2j bar plus 3k bar, b bar is equal to 3i bar plus j bar minus k bar, c bar and c bar is coplanar with a bar and b bar. Also a bar dot c bar is equal to 5 and c bar is perpendicular to b bar, then modulus of c bar is, so we are given a bar, b bar, and c bar is a coplanar with a bar and b bar. C bar is coplanar with a bar and b bar. Therefore, here a bar cross b bar dot c bar is equal to 0. So first you need to find a bar cross b bar. I bar, j bar, k bar. A bar value 1, 2, 3. B bar value 3, 1, minus 1. So that is equal to I bar into minus 2, minus 3, minus j bar into minus 1, minus 9, plus k bar into 1, minus 6, 1 minus 6, minus 5i bar plus 10j bar minus 5k bar. This is a bar cross b bar. Now let c bar is equal to c1 I bar, c2 j bar, c3 k bar. Now coplanar means a bar cross b bar dot c bar is equal to 0. So that minus 5c1 plus 10c2 minus 5c3 is equal to 0. That is equal minus c1 plus 2c2 minus c3 equal to 0. 2c2 equal to c1 plus c3. This is equation 1. Next, equation 1. Second one is a bar dot c bar is equal to 5. A bar dot c bar is equal to 5. So a bar is equal to I bar plus 2j bar plus 3k bar dot c bar, c1 I bar, c2 j bar, C3 K bar is equal to 5. That is equal to C1 2C2 plus 3C3 is equal to 5. Equation 2. Next, third one. C bar is perpendicular to B bar. Third one is C bar is perpendicular to B bar. Therefore, C bar dot B bar equal to 0. C bar dot B bar equal to 0. C bar dot B bar equal to 0. So what is C bar? C1 I bar, C2 J bar, C3 K bar dot B bar is equal to 3I bar plus J bar minus K bar is equal to 0. So that is equal to 3C1 plus C2 minus C3 equal to 0. This is equation 3. Solving 1, 2 and 3 equations, we get C1, C2, C3. So then substitute C bar is equal to C1 I bar plus C2 J bar plus C3 K bar. Then find modulus of C bar. That is the required value. Right. Next, maths student ఇచ్చినటువంటి problem. If A into 0, 1, 0 matrix is equal to 0, 0, 1, comma, A into 4, 1, 3 is equal to 0, 1, 0. Next, A into 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2 is equal to 1, 0, 0. Then, element A, 2, 3 is equal to ఈ వాల్యూ అడిగారు. సో ఇక్కడ A is 2/3 అన్నాడు, అంటే ఇక్కడ 3/3 మ్యాట్రిక్స్ కావాలి. సో A అనే మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఎలా తీసుకోవాలి? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I ఇలా తీసుకోండి మ్యాట్రిక్స్, A మ్యాట్రిక్స్. సో A is 3/3, 3/1. So now first one is A into 0, 1, 0 is equal to 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. That is equal to A equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I into 0, 1, 0 is equal to 0, 0, 1. Now multiply this. So we get A into 0, 0 plus B plus 0. Next, 3/3 matrix. Here this is 3/3. Next, 3/1. So resultant matrix is 3/1. 3 rows, 1 column. So 0/1. Next, 0 plus E plus 0, 0 plus H plus 0. So is equal 0, 0, 0. Now B, E, H is equal to 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. So now equating corresponding elements, we get B equal to 0, E equal to 0 and H equal to 1. B equal to 0, E equal to 0, H equal to 1. This is first condition. Now what is second condition? A into 413 is equal to 0, 1, 0. A into 413 is equal to 010. So what is A here? A, B is equal to 0. C, A, B, C. D, E equal to 0. D, E, F. G, H equal to 1. I into 413 is equal to 010. 010. So that is 4A plus 0 4A plus 0 plus 3C. Next 4D plus 0 3F. 4G plus 1 plus 3A is equal to 010. So equating corresponding elements 4A plus 3C. 4A plus 3C equal to 0. 4D plus 3F is equal to 1. 4G plus 1 plus 3I is equal to 0. These are three equations. Next, third condition is, what is third condition? A into third condition 212 is equal to 100. Next, what is A? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I into 212 is equal to 100. Is equal to 100. So now B is equal to 0, E equal to 0. What is the value? B equal to 0, E equal to 0, H equal to 1. H equal to 1. A 0, C, D 0, F, G 1, I into 212 is equal to 100. 100. Now multiply this. So that is equal to, multiply this, A into 2A plus 0 plus 2C, 2D plus 0 plus F, 2G plus 1 plus 2I is equal to 100. So that is equal to 2A plus 2C is equal to 1, 2D plus F equal to 0, next 2G plus 1 plus 2A equal to 0. Solving this equation, we get A, B, C, D, F, G, H. So, but we no need to find all this. Just we can find only A, 2, 3. That is equal. We have to find A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So we need to find A, 2, 3. Second row, third column. F. So just find F. That is the required value. Only you need to find F. A, 2, 3 means. That is the answer.